Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to walk through the step-by-step process to apply for a reseller permit in Georgia for 2025. Let's get started. First, open up your web browser and go to the fast filling website. Once you're there, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on the Get Started button. You'll now be asked to fill in your personal details, your first name, last name, and email address. Make sure the email is accurate, as that's where your order confirmation will be sent. Next, enter your business information. This includes the types of business, what you sell, and your business address. In the address section, include your street address, city, state, and zip code. Also, let them know if your business is home based or not. Once you have entered all the required info, click the next button to proceed. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll be on way to getting your Georgia reseller permit in no time. Thanks for watching, and if this video helped you out, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech problem solving guides. See you in the next one.